promised, I am back with a detailed video on boat ride at Rivercoast Resort, Devbag Maharashtra. Well, this is the point from where we boarded the boat. You have to climb in using the ladder attached outside the boat, which can get a bit challenging, but we managed somehow. And off we go. The ride started off pretty smooth. I was standing right in front, clicking pictures, taking videos, till we reached this point where the river meets the sea and the boat totally started shaking. But honestly, I totally enjoyed that point. The ride got back to normal as we entered the sea. So here's a map of all the points that we saw during the boat ride. The first point that we saw was the lighthouse. The next point we saw was the Shivaji Maharaj fort. We couldn't really see it clearly though. We also saw something called Golden Rock, and right next to it there was another beach called the Nevati Beach. Well, guys, the sunset right from the middle of the sea is totally mesmerizing. Next, we got down at an island called the Seagull Island, clicked lots of pictures and videos. Next, we saw the stretch which was filled with coconut trees, and it is also known as the mini Kerala. Lastly, we got down at another island called the Tsunami Island. In fact, this one is right opposite the resort. You can actually see the resort right from this point. So with that, our journey comes to an end. Do let me know how do you like this video.